best free resources for YouTube creators. This is going to help you with thumbnails. This is going to help you get views and research your topics before you even press record. So stay tuned. It's coming up.
You got to just press record.
Hey guys, my name is Noel Molt with Think Media. Now the first great resource for you guys is unsplash.com. If you have not heard of Unsplash, you can go on this website and they have so many photos and it's a search engine. So you search for what you're looking for and you can use these for your thumbnails. You don't even have to pay for them and you can use these photos. It's absolutely free. There's no copyright infringement. There's nothing like that. You could just use these photos on your YouTube videos. You can use them in your videos if you wanted to do that. You could use them for thumbnails. We like to use this for thumbnails because you can find amazing photos on this website. So if you haven't checked out Unsplash, make sure that you do that. Number 2 is Canva. Now actually Unsplash and Canva pair really nice together because you can take a free photo off of Unsplash, throw it inside of Canva, and Canva is basically like a graphic design but made really, really easy. So if you don't know what you're doing, you're a complete beginner, then you can use canva.com. They have really cool presets, so you can make thumbnails in there. You can also make end cards, and I actually made an end card with Canva, and you can click on the card right now if you want to watch that. But there's all sorts of stuff. You can make logos, you can make intros to your YouTube videos. The list goes on and on with Canva. You can make your YouTube channel art. You can literally do anything you need to do if it is graphic design. Check out Canva, and I love their presets. You can literally search in YouTube outro, YouTube intro, anything, and you're going to find something there for you. And one last thing that I love about Canva is that they have a free and a pro version, but their free version is not like super limiting. Like they have tons of stuff available on their free version. It shouldn't be free, but it's free. And all this stuff, by the way, is going to be in the description below. If you just want to go and maybe even sign up for the pro version or even just check out the free version, all the links and all that kind of stuff will be in the description below. The number 3 best free resource is actually our royalty-free music video. We talk about some of the best royalty-free sites to use or website channels to use where to actually get the music. Because as you know, if you use any song you want on YouTube, you can actually either get a copyright strike, which is terrible, or they'll just like demonetize your video. And you don't want that to happen. So you want to use copyright free music in your YouTube videos. So you can actually check out our video or go in the description below and we're going to list some of those YouTube channels that offer copyright free music and you can download their music to use for your YouTube videos. And that is like, I use this all the time until I actually ended up getting a music subscription. But this is a major hack. If you are balling on a budget, you got nothing to spend, definitely check out some of these YouTube channels down in the description. Number 4